Okay guys, I don't know what that beeping noise is. Just wanted a very quick video inside a classic Porsche 964. I want you to experience this. I love classic cars, and this car, just getting inside it, sitting in the car. Sorry, I've got a tripod on this, so you probably can't quite see. I'll have to twist it around a bit. Look at that. The steering wheel just feels amazing. Like, it's just, it looks like a different generation of car, obviously, but just feels amazing. Look at those lovely old school displays, you know, this on the instrument cluster, the rev counter, the speedo, whatever it's called, all these fuel gauges. So you're driving around, you can hear this engine at the back, and then you sort of see the rev counters. You know, that is just lovely. The styling in here, man, it almost feels like it's modern. You've got so much space for something that was designed 30 years ago. The seats, the bucket seats are very tight for me, but you know, I'm a bit porky, but they do feel good. I'm totally well supported. Look at the gear stick. This is one of the greatest things about a Porsche, is the gear change on them is lovely. And this, for a car that is, again, 30 years old, that gear change, it feels so good. It feels just about the right amount of pressure just to put it in, and it just goes in so nice. I mean, the gear change on this is better than my 330 BMW. You know, the gear changes, the gear stick, the feel of the gear stick is not great, is it? It's quite rubbery. Porsche have got it spot on. So let's just start this car up as well, guys. We're not going to be driving this car anywhere, obviously, but well, I've driven it into the garage. It's too hard to push it, but I just want you to experience the engine start up. The aircon comes blowing out and it's cool, which is nice. Here we go. Look at that. Okay, it's not even, look at that, it's not even roaming. Incredible. I'm just easing up the accelerator a little bit. There you can see the oil pressure going up and the oil temperature. That's just the handbrake there. I'm not sure. We'll leave the handbrake on. I'm not sure. That's sort of a seatbelt warning. I'm not sure what that warning is. Is that telling me that the boot is open? I'll check that, or the rear engine bay thing is open. I'll check that out. I don't know. Phenomenal. It's got a modern stereo. The leather is lovely. Look at these. You pull these out, I think, and twist them down. Yeah, there you go. You just pop those down like that. I won't do both of them. And then you could take the top Targa roof section out, and it's like a convertible, but kind of easier than the convertible. Cross between a convertible and a hardtop, isn't it, the Targa? Lovely. So, guys, the owner said to me the one thing that's unusual about the car is all the pedals are shifted over to the left, and I see what he means. I see what he means down there. Not normally you'd be putting your foot there, which is a bit unusual, but you kind of get used to it. It is all a bit tight down there. The clutch, you've got to really push that clutch all the way down. The brakes feel amazing, and the accelerator feels nice. This is a car that you'd need about half an hour to an hour to go and drive it around, and then you'd start getting a feel for it, because it's just got that classic feel. But I love it. Just being in here is an awesome thing. And look at these lovely cream leather seats, and all just everything's slightly different in a Porsche, especially an old one. So just thought I'd take a break out from the detailing process of this car to just sit in it and enjoy it. And what a lovely machine, guys. What a lovely machine. So let's turn this off now. Sounds so beautiful. So back to work now, and it's focused now on, we're gonna have just a look at the paintwork in the garage. We're going to feel this paintwork over, and I think it might not even need decontaminating, which is very, very rare. This may be the only car that I've ever detailed that didn't need decontaminating, because the owner doesn't do lots of miles in it, and it's kept in good condition. It needs polishing, it needs just some of those fine swirls taken out, but the cleanliness and condition of the car is really, really good. And actually this is a great experience for me, because it's just trying to fix a few issues, like I've mentioned, the oxidization of this piece here and some of the plastics. We've got some really good products to fix those things and just rejuvenate the inside a little bit. I'm just going to play everything safe and do little test spots, because it's a rare, valuable car. So we just want everything to go smoothly. So okay guys, I just thought I'd do this for the backup channel. Thank you for watching. So I'll walk around it. I'll come out and walk around it as well, because I realise I've been filming this car all day, all morning, but not in this video, so you won't actually see what I'm talking about. Look at these lovely alloys. Look at those. Nice satin finish. They're immaculate. Tyres are in good condition. Paintwork looks great in this garage light, and in the sunlight it shows the swirls a bit more. That's what we're going to be doing, is just making the paintwork look better. Put that down. Stunning, beautiful, classic Porsche. I can't wait to start polishing. Thanks for watching, guys.